Go on, go, 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 go. I have a glacier in my backyard. Come on, kids. I think everybody knows there was like a giant storm. You gotta be careful what you're walking. And then, well, I don't even want to, I don't think I should try and walk on that, do you? Okay, I'm on it. It's pretty slippery. So let me show you the problem where it starts. Maybe you shouldn't play on the glacier. So that is connected to a pipe. Can you see this pipe? To that. Spray foam, that's gonna be in an upcoming video. Mouse patrol, basically. But this comes out of my sump pump in the root cellar. Plumbers, you can comment on what's missing from this connection. Hi. What do you got there? This drains and goes underground and drains right there. So it comes right out of here and then, well, goes into this part of the lawn. Not really a great lawn, I know. It is what it is. But in winter, when we get rain or thaws, the basement gets some water, the pump kicks in, and then it's actually quite a beautiful thing. It's just wicked dangerous, right? Here's what I'm thinking. I own a backhoe, right? Why don't we just trench over to here? I'm trying out a new camera. It's one of those Go 360 cameras. You'll let me know. Right here is the edge of the yard, and that'll just drain into the woods, and we'll no longer have the glacier. Let me know what you think. What's the best way? You know more than I do sometimes. Sometimes more than sometimes. Let me know in the comments. Hi. Hi. Oh, that's your toy. That's a toy. What? Oh, that's beautiful. That was a Christmas present, wasn't it? Yeah.